Since January 11, 2023, our system ranks SQQQ as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -6.188. In this period the stock has had a loss of -30.45%. This is an average return of -1.90% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SQQQ, our last headline reads, "Is SQQQ ETF still a buy after falling -10.40% on Thursday?" The SQQQ ETF price fell by -10.40% on the last day, Thursday, February 2, 2023, from $36.84 to $33.01. It has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 7.91% from a day low at $32.20 to a day high of $34.75. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -32.38% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 17 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 206 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.81 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $69.55, and the lowest price was $31.17. Right now the price is 52.54%, or $36.54, below 52-week high, and 95.92%, or $775.46, below all-time high March 12, 2020, where the price hit $808.47. The ETF has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend down. Firstly, a stronger fall rate is indicated, but false breaks and sell-off may occur. However, a further fall is realistic, and any reactions back to the breaking point, $36.41, are considered to be a second chance to get out. According to the fan theory, $17.52 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is far too early to say this for certain. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -11.28% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -2.14% and 48.64%. The 12-month trend indicates a 11.36% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between 11.36% and 138.33%. This equals a price between $36.76 and $78.67 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for SQQQ. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The SQQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $38.81 and $47.81. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 28, 2022, and so far it has fallen -43.15%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning, and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. by signal 13 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SQQQ. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the ETF may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This ETF may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $2.55 between high and low, or 7.91%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 7.31%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SQQQ meets first resistance at $36.84. If you do not hold SQQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is SQQQ ETF a buy? SQQQ holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 3rd, we expect SQQQ to open up $0.309 and start trading at $33.32. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember